Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely Audi TT that we've taken in. It's a little older than we would normally retail sell, but the condition and the mileage and the service history made this worth a go for us. So what we've got here is a 2-litre TFSI manual 6-speed gearbox roadster. It's some extras on this car over and above standard, which I'll tell you about in a moment. Just over 60,000 miles. Complete service history with it. It's had the cam belt and water pump replaced recently, and it's in lovely condition, this car. I'm just going to give you a list of the extras on this car. Over and above standard, we've got the fine Napa leather in a light grey. We've got heated front seats. We've got the rear parking system, so acoustic rear parking, metallic paint, and I think the heated mirrors and the electric mirrors were standard on this. Electric wind deflector as well, which we'll show you in a moment. And multifunction steering wheel. Oh, that's right, multifunction steering wheel and the iPod connection as well. They were the extras. So it has got some extras over and above. Probably the best of those is the Napa leather and the heated seats. So let's show you around the car. Finished in Condor grey metallic. All lovely and clean and tidy around the front here. Front fog lights. Nice bright day, you can see it well. Wheels all in lovely condition. 17-inch alloy wheels. It really is in tip-top condition, this car. It looks lovely. We've got the top down at the moment. We'll put the top up in a minute so you can have a look. If you have a look inside here, as you can see, we've got this lovely sports seats finished with the Napa leather. Light grey. Everything's in lovely condition inside here. These nice hoops over and above the rollover hoops behind the seats. Okay, just moving around the back here. All in lovely condition. Rear parking sensors, as I said there. Right, let's show you in the boots here. Not huge, but there's a bit of space in here for putting bits and pieces in. And down under here, battery, and we've got the toolkit. I think this has the, this has got the emergency repair kit here as well, and locking wheel stud and jack and handle, etc. All lovely and tidy in there as well. We've got the electric rear spoiler as well. We'll show you that working in a second. Lovely and tidy down this side as well. I keep saying it, but it is in lovely condition, this car, which is why we're retailing it. Okay, show you inside. So you've got the light grey leather, as you can see, all in lovely condition. A couple of carpet mats in here. They're not Audi ones, but it's got a couple of carpet mats in here. 2 sets of keys, all the original hand seat controls, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox. And various switches down there. We've got the switch for the electric roof and also the electric rear blind. Right, let's just show you around the roof. All in good condition. Odd little mark here and there on it, a little mark down here on it, but nothing to be concerned about. All clean and tidy. Rear screen all in good order. Another little mark just down there on the roof. Yeah, all clean and tidy. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. There we go, it's the 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. As you can see, all clean and tidy under here. Exactly as you'd expect it. Right, so let's just run through that again for you. It's a 2007 on a 57 plate Audi 2-litre TFSI TT Roadster with just over 60,000 miles, I think 60,100 miles. full service history with it, cam belt and water pump replaced, finished in Condor grey metallic with a lovely Napa leather. A really nice example this. So please have a look on the website for all the still photographs and any more information, simonshieldcars.co.uk. And if you need any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's 01473 658 091. Thank you for watching.